Hello, my name is Rachel and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a short video which is to help with forward head posture. This is the kind of video that I would recommend you do daily. If you have any issues with a forward head, rounded shoulders, whether that be age related or because you're on your computer all the time, this is for you. So you do not need a mat today, it's all standing, you just need a wall. So go ahead and get yourselves ready and I'll see you in a moment. Okay, so let us begin. You're going to start by having your feet away from the wall. So kind of like the length of your foot distance away from the wall. Feet hip width apart, and then we're going to lean back on the wall with the bottom. Okay, I'm going to film this from two angles for you so that you can see the position and get it correct. And then from there, you're going to pull the tummy muscles in and you're going to tilt that pelvis, and we're going to try and get the lower back against the wall. You can have your knees soft here. All right, and then from there, hands down. Just let them hang down and let's just see where the shoulders are. So you can see with me, my head's not connecting to the wall yet. My shoulders are forward, and in an ideal world, the shoulder would be in line with the ear. And I think with mine, you'll see that they are rounding inwards. So this is very, very common for everyone, even me, Pilates teacher. It's quite common these days. So here we go. First exercise is to take a breath in, and as you breathe out, draw the shoulders back, hands against the wall, and just try and hold it there for 3 breaths. So you're going to inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And one more, inhale. And exhale. So we're just stretching out the chest, okay? Now we're going to raise the arms up a little bit more. Okay, so a little bit higher. Same thing, take a deep breath in. And exhale. Keeping the back of your shoulders against the wall, deep breath in. And exhale. And one more, inhale. And exhale. Now turn your palms forward and let's lift those arms a little bit higher. So now the hands are in line with the shoulders are against the wall, the arms are against the wall. Take a deep breath in. So the idea of this is that we're stretching the front of the shoulders and the chest, okay? So this is a very important part of fixing that posture. Now we're going to take the arms up a little bit higher. Okay, it's going to get a little bit more challenging. So try and keep the arms against the wall, back of the shoulders against the wall, 3 deep breaths. And last one, arms as high as you're able to go without your shoulders lifting up. Okay, back of the hands on the wall if you can. If you can't, then you just hold them to wherever you can, okay? But try and get the back of the shoulders on the wall. Deep breath in and out. In and out. In and out. Now you're going to bring your arms down. You're going to place the hands on the front of the rib cage. Okay, now you're going to take a deep breath in, feel the ribs expand, and as you breathe out, just press the back of the ribs onto the wall. Okay, and at the same time, you're going to try and draw the elbows back. So you're going to feel it probably around here, okay? We're not even doing the neck yet because we're trying to do all the areas below that pull your neck forward, because as your shoulders come forward, that pulls your neck forward, okay? So take a breath in. Expand those ribs as you breathe out. Feel those ribs closing and the back of the ribs pressing into the wall. And at the same time, you're trying to hold your shoulders back. Even for me, this is super, super challenging. And again, deep breath in. And breathing out. Ribs close. Back of the ribs press into the wall. You're trying to hold the back of the shoulders against the wall. And one more deep breath in. Breathing out. Good. And bring those arms down. Okay, so that might feel quite a strain for you. So if it does feel a strain, that's an indication it is something you need to work on. Now we're going to address the neck itself. Okay, so from the side, I'm going to exaggerate my forward head posture. All right, so you can see my chin's gone forward, my shoulders are rounding, my chest is tight. Okay, and what we're going to do is retract the chin. Okay, so you're going to take a breath in, breathe out, and as you breathe out, I want you to pull the chin back and try and get the back of your head on the wall. So it's the occipital bone, that's this bone here, right at the base of the skull, on the back of the wall. And you can feel now that doing that actually draws your shoulders back, and then release. All right, so take a breather, take an inhale, exhale, draw back. Inhale, release. Exhale, draw back. I am exaggerating for you because I want you to see the difference. Now keep that going, and if you feel you can, as you exhale, not only are you retracting the chin, you're going to press the palms of the hands on the wall and draw those shoulders back. And release. Exhale. And release. Exhale. And release. One more. Exhale. And release. Now you're going to draw the back of the head onto the wall. You're going to try and keep it there. And you're just going to draw like, what do they call it when you do it in the snow? Angels in the snow with the arms. You're going to take the arms all the way up the wall and all the way back down. You can probably hear my fingers on the wall. So we're going up, trying to hold that position, and back. Lots of crunching going on in my body. Coming up and back. Up and back, and one more. Up and back. Now bring your arms forward, keeping the back of your head on the wall, the middle of your shoulder blades on the wall. Let's bend the elbows and try and take the elbows to the wall. So you can feel that stretch there. And come forward. Now you still want your lower back connected to the wall as well. So lower back, middle of the shoulder blades, back of the skull. As we go forward, let's add the breath. Exhale back. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Inhale forward. Exhale back. And forward. And exhale back and forward. Now we're going to draw those elbows back. This time you're going to try and rotate those arms back towards the wall. See how far you can get. And then bring them forward. Keep the shoulder blades on the wall. Keep the skull on the wall, but straighten the arms. So we're keeping that connection. We're drawing back. We're gonna open, bring them down, and reach forward. Shoulder blades stay on the wall all the time. Draw back, rotate, come forward, and reach. One more. Back, rotate, come forward, and reach. Draw those arms down. Press yourself off the wall, and let's just roll the shoulders out for 3, 2, 1. And there we go. That is your short video today for you to work on your forward head posture. Try and do this one daily, particularly if you know it is an issue for you and it's something that you do want to fix. It's that daily consistency that's really going to help you. All right, so thanks for watching. Do press the like button, do subscribe, and don't forget to share with your friends. Hope to see you again soon. Take care and bye for now.